Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. In this second showcase explainer, I'm going to use Premiere Pro to create a short video sequence using my Paris clips from 2010. I'll then render it as an MP4 file. This can then be included in the 3D gallery. This is a recap explainer. For full step-by-step video editing workflows, see our dedicated video editing series. All the processes we're about to look at are very similar in Vegas Pro and in Shotcut. Start by creating a new project. If your window looks very different to this, go to Window, Workspaces, Editing. I'll import my Paris video clips by dragging and dropping them to this panel where it says Import Media to Start. I'll drag and drop this Eiffel Tower clip over to the Sequence panel to create a new timeline sequence. Just press the spacebar on your keyboard to play a sequence from the current playhead position. You can trim a clip by dragging right from the start of it and left from the end of it. A preferred editing method called 3-point editing is to start by dragging a clip to the source window at the top left. Scrub the playhead to where you'd like the clip to start and press I on your keyboard to mark this as the in point. Scrub along to where you'd like the clip to end and press O on your keyboard to mark that as the out point. Make sure your sequence playhead is exactly where you'd like to insert the clip. You can hold down your Shift key to snap the playhead precisely to the end of an existing clip. Finally, click the Insert icon or press the comma key on your keyboard to insert the clip. I'll continue to build my sequence in this way. I just want a short video which can then loop forever to include in the gallery. You may like to add fades to the start and end of your video. Have a look under the Effects tab, Video Transitions. You can drag and drop transitions directly onto your clips. Finally, you might like to add a music or ambience track. See our individual video editing explainers for help with this. I'm happy for now to export the sequence as an MP4 file. Switch to the Export tab at the top left. Give the output video file a name you'll recognise later. I'll stick with Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. If you have specific output requirements, there are numerous options to consider here. Just click Export to render the file. And of course, play the video back to check you're happy. I'll continue to tweak this sequence to include in the gallery. In the next explainer, we're going to set up a Unity project and import a 3D gallery asset.
Pixels.cool.